How to save Facebook password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save Facebook password on iPhone. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Here, under your email address, you will see the option for manage your Google account. Tap on that and then in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the security option. Here, scroll down until you see the password manager option and tap on the manage passwords option under password manager. Here you will be able to see all the passwords that you have saved in your Gmail account. So go ahead and tap on the facebook.com option. You will then be asked to enter your Gmail password firstly. So go ahead and enter that and tap on the next option. And now you will further be able to view your Facebook password by tapping on the I like icon you see there. You can also tap on the copy button beside the I like icon and your password will be copied to your clipboard. So this is how you can see Facebook password on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.